Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo on Oculus Quest 2. First, understand that Halo isn't a native Quest 2 title. You'll need a powerful PC. The primary method involves streaming the game from your computer to your headset. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for both the game and VR streaming software. This setup allows you to enjoy the immersive experience of Halo in virtual reality. It's a fantastic way to revisit classic battles. Next, prepare your PC. Install the Oculus PC app and Steam VR, which are essential for streaming. You can connect your Quest 2 to your computer using a high-quality USB 3.0 cable for a wired link, or utilize AirLink for a wireless experience. Remember to configure your PC's graphics settings to prioritize performance, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable virtual reality session. This step is crucial for a seamless gameplay experience. Now let's get Halo running. Purchase and install a compatible Halo game like Halo, the Master Chief Collection on Steam. Since Halo doesn't have official VR support, you'll need a third-party mod or injector to enable it. Follow the specific instructions for your chosen mod carefully. Once enabled, adjust the in-game settings to optimize for virtual reality, focusing on comfort and immersion. This will bring the iconic battles to life. Finally, here are some tips for the best experience. If you're using AirLink, optimize your Wi-Fi network for a stable, low-latency connection. Experiment with various VR settings, like refresh rates and resolution, to find what reduces motion sickness and enhances comfort for you. Remember to take breaks and stay hydrated during long gaming sessions. For a great way to stay refreshed, check out the link in the description for some fantastic deals, including a reliable water bottle. Enjoy your Halo VR adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.